Ambidentate ligands, another most repeated topic in the NEET and JEE papers. This ambidentate ligands is usually one of the hot topics for the NTA. So just give me your 4 minutes, I'll confirm your 4 marks. You can see here directly the official 2026 question which has been asked on the behalf of ambidentate ligands. It was very easy and direct question. Which of the following is an ambidentate ligand? You can see here the question, how easily it has been asked. But the important thing is this question has been printed same as it is from the NCERT textbook. This is the NCERT highlights. We can see here NCERT highlights which is available in the PDF bundle. So what is the meaning of ambidentate ligand? Ambidentate ligands are those ligands which can ligand through two different atoms. We can see here the best example. Here the nitrogen is, so the molecular formula is NO2, here also NO2. But here to the metal what is connected? Nitrogen is linking. But here it is linking with what? With the oxygen. So same way here in SCN what is the linkage here? Sulfur. Here it is linkage nitrogen. The formula is same but the linking site is different. So which can ligate through two different atoms, those are called as what? Ambidentate ligands. What are the other examples we are having? One is CN, another one is NC. So usually from the 6 examples you can see a question in the exam, but point of discussion is that these names are important. Nitrito N. When you are binding through nitrogen it is N. When you are binding through oxygen it is O. When you are binding through sulfur it is thiocyaneto. If you are binding through nitrogen it is isothiocyaneto. Meanwhile, the most important part for the students is the cheat codes. Now, these cheat codes will play a very key role. You can take the screenshot, or for the PDF, you can see the description box given below. We can see here the cheat codes, that is type of ligands. You can see here for nitro, the nitrogen is bonded. For nitrito, oxygen, thiocyaneto, sulfur, isothiocyaneto, nitrogen, cyano, carbon, isocyano, nitrogen. So, these examples you are having in your syllabus. Okay, don't get confused with another examples like ammonia, water, that is aqua, ethane, ethylene diamine, oxalate, carbonyl, right? Phosphines. These are other examples. So remember that depending on the type of linkage, the name will change. Another important aspect for the student is the red alerts. So you can see here very clearly. So depending on that, how the names are changing: nitro, nitrito, thiocyaneto, isothiocyaneto, cyano, isocyano. So here point of discussion is what is the linkage is that will decide the name. Formula will be same, but the linkage site will be different. So what is the definition of ambidentate ligand? Again we'll repeat: the ligands which can bind from both the sides, right? So let's go into more deeper part of this one. So you can see here very clearly the memory hooks and the NTA traps. So I have given a detailed notes. You can take the screenshot, or for availing this PDF, you can see the description below. So you can look here the memory hooks and the NTA traps for the oxygen donor ligands, nitrogen donor ligands, sulfur containing donor ligands, and carbon containing donor ligands. Only these are there in your syllabus, and only from this only your examiner will put down the question. We can see few more lines related to the NTA traps, so you can easily capture the question in the exam. So it is a easy 4 marks direct question. So another important discussion that is related to your NEET and JEE PDF bundle. Those students who are dreaming of becoming the top doctor and IITian of Indian setup, then this PDF bundle will play a very key role. So in this PDF bundle, just at 499 rupees, I am going to give you inside highlights of all the subjects, handwritten beautiful colored notes of all the subjects, formula sheets of all the subjects, the most important rank decider, organic chemistry name reactions, organic chemistry reagent list, organic chemistry tricks, snakes and ladders for all the subjects, graphs and diagrams of all the subjects, NCERT hidden gems for biology, exam hackbook for physics and maths. So you can use this all in the PDF bundle. To avail this, you have a link below given in the description. Thank you.